Alright, so what's going on? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So today I'm going to be opening up the 30-degree elbow kit, 6-inch Dura Plus. For anyone that finds the need for this elbow so they don't have to go through their roof, even if they're doing the outside. Sometimes you still wind up have to go through your roof once you get to the outside. I kind of wanted to go over what's in the kit. I ordered this from Northeast. I'll screenshot the company and post it on in this video. But I just wanted to go over what to expect. I'm trying to go around the extended version of my roof, so my roof hangs off a little bit from the house. I'm trying to go around it, and I'm hoping that this 30-degree is good enough. I actually got a 45, but when they came, I realized it was 45 for dual wall chimney piping, and they don't sell single they don't sell 45 for the triple wall piping. So I literally just got it, and I'm opening it up to see all that comes in it. So what you guys can expect, it comes with the this bracket piece. I'm not gonna figure this out because it's all locked together. Alright, so it's nicely packed. Had to dump it out. It comes with the roof bracket. Hopefully the bolts didn't, because these the bags tend to get ripped and then the nuts and bolts fall out in shipping. So just bear that in mind. And these are two 45 locked together. So I need to separate them, and I'm praying that they give me enough angle to go around the side of the house. Is showing to go around the to still install within the roof. It's not showing for the exterior, but to go around the joist. The joist is just like the thicker piece of the roof, like the actual support beams in the roof. This would be what you use to go around it, and you see number one is the actual support piece. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to put this around and bolt it into where the gutters are. Yeah, so this will be interesting. I'm going to go up piece by piece. I know the next piece of pipe I go up I have to attach one of these at the end. So I'm going to take it downstairs, take the pipings that I have out downstairs, and kind of test fit them, make sure all of this works. Because I was very disappointed when I got the dual wall 45 and tried to fit them on there and realized like this third piece, this was missing. There was a section of it missing. Make sure that when you're getting the Duravent, you get all the exterior pipes all the same, because they have a lock-in portion right here, and it just sits in flush with the other one and twists and lock. And if you get them mix and match, like I was trying to piece them together, they have different lock-in. I'm not sure why. They all do the same thing. Alright, y'all, so I'm just doing a test fit of the pipes. So I installed one. This was a little bit harder because the box was a little bit damaged, and I guess it got like dented or something, so I kind of had to get it just right. I'm guessing you maybe can use a heat gun to kind of heat up the metal and lock it on there. But yeah, I just wanted to test fit. And then there's the secondary one here. Like I said, it's a 30-degree kit. This thing here, these two pieces and just that bracket was as much as all of the pipes, the through wall, everything combined. Just these two pieces. So I'm gonna have to get out there, kind of see what I'm getting into, and then I'll kind of fill you guys in as I go.